Hello and welcome. If you saw my last video, you'll know that I picked up this lovely Volvo C70 for £800. But at that price, it's bound to have a few niggles that need some attention. So now that I've had the car for a while, here is everything that's wrong with it. On the outside, it's got some knocks and scrapes. The corrosion on the wheels is slowly spreading and it has an impressive amount of curb damage on all four of them. A lot of it is cosmetic, but I have noticed this patch of rust on the bottom of the driver's door, which I suspect may be a result of the window adjustment. When it rains heavily, there is water getting past and it sometimes fills up the door handle. If that water is also sitting at the bottom of the door, then eventually it's going to start rotting away the metal. I also find when I'm driving on motorways with the roof and the windows up, there's a constant whistle from the top of the glass where it's not sitting flush with the weather strip. Hopefully I can solve both of these problems just by removing the door card and adjusting the position of the window. And whilst I have the panel off, I could do with replacing the controls in the door, as the master switch is temperamental and the driver's switch is broken off completely. There's also a rattle from the speakers in there, so I'll be looking for a loose screw or fixing. And finally, the top of the door card here is coming away. And that was a problem I had with my last C70, so it seems to be a common fault with these cars. The interior needs a good clean and some leather treatment to breathe some life into it, but the steering wheel and the gear selector are beyond saving and are completely disintegrated. I can only think that the previous owner used something on their hands that's eaten away at the leather over time. The stitching on the seats is coming apart in a few spots, so I need to sew these back up to avoid it getting worse. And I will investigate why my heated seat isn't working. Fingers crossed it's just a fuse, as I don't want to be replacing the heating pads themselves. At the back, the roof material has come away from the rear window on the inside, and it's the same on the outside too. I'll have to use some strong contact adhesive to bond it all together again before the winter arrives. The aerial doesn't retract fully, so the motor will most likely need replacing, although it does work just fine at the moment with the radio transmitter that I pair my phone with. I've checked the brakes for pad wear and I will need to replace the rear set before its next MOT. And whilst I've got the wheels off, I may as well replace the handbrake shoes and the springs themselves as well. Engine wise, it's not too bad. It has been serviced every year and I intend on keeping that going. Jobs to do in here will be to replace the power steering reservoir, which is swollen over time and weeps out fluid. I'll change the transmission fluid as well because the gear changes are a bit jerky at times. I couldn't see anything in service history to say that it's been done, so it's probably well overdue. I want to do some digging to find out why I'm losing coolant. I've had to top up about 2 litres in the 4 months I've owned it. The heater cores on these cars are known to leak and I can smell coolant when the fans are on, so I would be replacing that. Also, I can see that the thermostat is showing signs of the gasket failing, so it's time to replace that and tidy up this dodgy wiring. These few jobs shouldn't be too expensive to do myself and will keep this car on the road for years to come. So that's just a quick run through of everything that I can see that's wrong with the C70. I'll be documenting the repairs along the way and uploading some videos that will hopefully help others maintain their Volvos themselves and save themselves some pennies. As always, thank you very much for watching and please feel free to subscribe if you're enjoying the channel. Bye for now.